Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. So today we're going to do some tutorial discussion for chapter 4, focusing on the subtopic of 4.2, which is functional groups and homologous series. We're going to focus on the tutorial question 4a and d respectively. Without any further ado, let us start. So for tutorial question 4, we have to identify and name the functional group present in the following molecule. For this molecule here, we will have a functional group of C double bond O and CH3, and we have the hydroxyl as well as the ether here, the ester here, sorry. So for the first functional group that I'm going to do is the OH here, where the OH here refers to the functional group of hydroxyl. Okay, we are talking about functional groups, so you need to mention hydroxyl and not alcohol. Alcohol is the class of the compound. Next, functional group is the C double bond O here, where the C double bond O here refers to the carbonyl, and this attached with a CH3. So you can say that it is a carbonyl of ketone. Okay, so you can circle as C double bond O, and if you circle CH3 here, you can bracket this carbonyl of ketone. And for this one, which is C double bond O and CO here, refer to the carboalkoxy functional group. Meanwhile, for D here, we will have a functional group of C double bond O, where this refers to a carbonyl group. And C double bond here attached with a carbon, and carbon on the left hand side and right hand side, where this also refers to a carbonyl of ketone. Next, we have an alkene here. So the alkene is the class of the compound. But for the functional group, we're going to say it as a carbon-carbon double bond. Next functional group is the benzene ring here. So the aromatic here refers to the benzene ring. And then we're going to have the Cl here, which refers to the halogen group. And then we have C triple bond C, where this refers to the functional group of carbon-carbon triple bond or the class of the compound to be alkyne. Okay, but we need to just mention the functional group. And then we have COOH, where we're going to do here this one first, which is C double bond O and dash O here, which refer to the carboalkoxy, which is an ester, the same. And then we have COOH, where COOH refers to the C double bond O OH, and this refers to the carboxyl group. And then we're going to have another functional group here, where it refers to C double bond O attached with hydrogen. So when it is attached with hydrogen, it's going to be a carbonyl of aldehyde. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video. See you again some other time. Bye!